Yes, as you can see, winter is knocking at our door. It's knocking at your door. Oh, winter, winter is coming. Winter is knocking at your door. Look, everywhere is busy so early this morning. Look at them. Look at them going to work. Look at them. Winter is coming, it's preparing, it's knocking at your door, whether you like it or not. Winter is coming. Winter is coming. Yes, the season has come. Winter is knocking at your door. Winter is knocking. Winter is knocking at your door. These are the signs that is coming. It's not coming, never come like a thief. Oh. It used to give sign that is coming. These are the signs. Yes, go and prepare yourself because winter is coming. Yes. Go and get yourself prepared. Winter is coming, it's knocking at your door. Please open the door. If you like door open, it will still come into your house. You don't need to close the door, you don't need to open the door for winter. It's just coming on its own. It coming on its own and it goes out on its own. Winter is knocking. It's at a corner. These are the signs. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Winter is coming at your door. It's knocking, knocking. Winter is knocking at your door. Go and get yourself prepared. Oh. Get yourself prepared for the winter. Like and share to others to get prepared for winter is knocking at our door. We all know whether you like open, you don't open, it will still come. If you are inside, you go outside and meet him. If you don't go outside, he will come and meet you. Like and share the video. Get yourself